I'm very much taken to how light works within crystal itself.
We are so happy that we have this room now, a dedicated space of light here at the Crystal Worlds, as light is so important to crystal. Light is the soul of crystal, and it is nearly possible to step into the very soul of crystal. So we feel very privileged of having this room from James Turrell.
This piece is entitled Umbra, and is about the light that's in the soft shadow, as in a lunar eclipse, where you have the soft light as opposed to the very strong light that you saw reflected off of the rest of the moon. And so this is a kind of light, the very soft and sort of filling light that I love. So in looking at this piece, it's not the light that's around the edge, it's the large expanse or panorama of this very soft light that actually comes from reflection in the room and from the other side of the room.
It's an absolute honor to welcome James Turrell's work to Swarovski Kristallwelten. Light breathes life into crystal and ignites its magic. James Turrell's understanding of light and its approach in the most elemental form presents the viewer with an immersive experience. If you dare to be open to the enormous power of light, Umbra will affect you emotionally and physically.